And this is Nick. Welcome to our channel essayserviceusa. If you are a student or data professional looking to turn raw data into powerful insights or simply need assistance with your homework, you are in the right place. Today I am going to walk you through how I solved a real market segmentation problem using principal component analysis or PCA. This case study uses a dataset from a hair salon chain, and I'll show you exactly how I approached exploratory analysis, scaling, PCA, and interpretation. Let's move on to section 1, understanding the dataset. Our dataset contains several customer experience variables and also a satisfaction score. Since PCA works only on independent variables, the first step was to drop the satisfaction column and then check the structure of the dataset. Good news, all variables were numerical, no missing values, no duplicates. This meant the data was clean and ready for deeper analysis. Now we explore into what the data tells us. Next, I performed univariate analysis using histograms, as you can see in this final report section that I have shown you. Here they are. Most of the variables are showing normal or uniform distribution, which is ideal. Then I looked at multivariate relationships using pair plots and a correlation heat map. Through this, I found several variables were highly correlated, such as complaint resolution and delivery speed, warranty claim and tech support, Salesforce, image and e-commerce performance. I also found clear multi-collinearity among independent variables. In business terms, this would mean that many features are telling us the same story, making the model unnecessarily complex. This is exactly where PCA becomes extremely powerful. Now we want to scale our data. So before performing PCA, it's critical to scale the data. I used standardization. This ensured every variable has mean 0 and standard deviation 1. After scaling, something interesting happened. The covariance and correlation matrices became identical, which is expected because standardized data has unit variance. Now we try to check for outliers. So before and after scaling using box plots, both outlets remain the same because it's scaling shifts and rescale data, but it didn't change its distribution. However, after scaling, all features fell within a uniform range, which is perfect for PCA. Now we find out about the PCA core steps. So once our data was prepared, I constructed the covariance matrix. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors were also found. Eigenvector with the highest eigenvalue forms the first principal component. For this dataset, the first PCA included strong contributions from variables like delivery speed, order billing, Salesforce image, complaint resolution. This tells us which combinations of features explain the most customer experience variance. In order to choose the number of components, I first analyzed the cumulative explained variance using a plotted curve. I found that the first 6 principal components already explain 90% of the total variance. That means we kept almost all meaningful information but reduced the dataset from 11 dimensions to just 6. This dramatically improved model performance and reduced computation time. Finally, I exported the PCA scores into a clean data frame ready for clustering or segmentation. Now, when we talk about business implications, so what does PCA mean for a business like a hair salon chain? It means you can understand key drivers of customer satisfaction, remove redundant information, build faster models with fewer variables, improve segmentation strategies, focus your marketing and operational improvements on what actually matters. By reducing the dataset intelligently, you save computation time, cost, and improve model accuracy. If you need help with any sort of data analysis, programming, essay writing, or any other type of academic problem in any subject, feel free to reach out to me. I help students all over the world with their grades. You can find my contact info in the description box and also on the screen as well.